So we're out here baling. Got father-in-law 6420, and then we're running that I think it's 458 round baler. Wife done got this raked, so we're out here running. Done got a couple bales popped out, raked up all right. Got some pretty bales out there. This will probably roll a pretty good bit. Usually does, so we're gonna see what happens. So far everything's running all right. Of course that can change in a split second, so we'll keep on chugging along and we'll see how many bales we can get out of this field.